Hi everyone, we're back. So far we have lost the front part of the beginning of this footage. So it didn't show me anything about the wicking, the melting, the fragrance that we're going to use again. I'm going to say it again. We're using Nature's Garden Eucalyptus. And we're doing, this is for a client. And we're doing 5 soy wax candles. So in my pot, I have soy wax and I have a little bit of sand wax. It's soy, but it's just sand wax. That's just what they call it. And I added maybe about not even a teaspoon of that wax in here. But right now we're melting. We're almost. I got one piece left that we're going to. We're just trying to get it to melt. And our temperature for our wax is at 156. So basically we want to be from 130 to 1, I think it's 160. So right now we're at 156. So this is very good for our wax. So I'm just trying to break this little clump up. This annoying little clump. And it's not allowing me. So basically I'm just going to have to stir it in. Or turn up the heat a little bit. I don't want to turn up the heat because like I said, we're at 156. So I want to be able, don't want to burn off my fragrance oil. So I want this to go ahead and melt. And so the question of the day that I ask, what do you like to create? You can leave it in the comments below. Do you like to make soy candles? Do you like to make bath bombs? Do you like to make cold processed soap? Do you like to make hot processed soap? Do you like to make melt and pour soaps? What are your favorite? Mine, I like to make all the above. Whatever I can get my hands on, I like to do it. So, is it gone? Almost. It's almost got a teeny tiny bit left. So once I put it on my scale, I'm going to tear it out and we're going to weigh we're going to weigh the fragrance oil. And we're going to pour it into our candle jars. We have our wooden wicks here and we have our labels on the bottom. We're just going to let these cool for 24 hours, let them sit. Then the very next day we'll add our labels, which y'all won't see that part. But we'll add our labels. Okay, you guys. So, let's take it out of the pot. This is what our oils look like. And like I was saying before, the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I need a good wax melting pot. The pot that I have, it scorches, and no matter what I do, it burns my wax. So I'm trying not to do that. Eventually, I will get a wax, whatchamacallit, melter. So for this, I am going to need my let's just use this right quick. Well, yeah, let's just use this. We're gonna take our little wand here. This is our wand, and we're just gonna measure out our fragrance oil. So I'm going to take this paper towel here and just wipe that off. Ouch. And that's our eucalyptus. So now we've got to stir it up for 2 minutes. So let me go and get my So I have my timer set for 2 minutes. So we're going to go 2 minutes. Let's count down and we're going to just stir this. So basically what I'm doing is stirring the oil so it can adhere to the wax, make it more scenable. And as I'm doing this, I'm cooling it off as we speak. So we were at 156. Now we're at 144. That's our temperature, 144. And it's going to cool down and cool down and cool down and cool down. And then it's going to go and it's going to solidify. So basically we're just stirring for 2 minutes. And then we're going to weigh out, we're going to tear out our scales. We've got 8-ounce jars and then we've got 6-ounce jars. So it just depends on what we do here today. So I'm going to start with my 8-ounce first. And then I will come back and do my 6 ounces. So it smells really, really good. So we've been doing this. Well, we're just starting this candle. Alright, our time is up. So we've been making candles for about 14 years. It's just off and on. So basically what I'm going to do is tear out my scale. I think I'm going to bring my scale up a little bit. We're just going to tear out our scale. We're going to weigh our glass out here. Alright, and so we're going to add our 8 ounces of wax in here. Hold on. Gotta have pouring room. So I went over and I am going to take my pipette. I know it's 5, but I like to be precise. Okay. Which is 8. So basically we're just going to sit that right there. And we're just going to weigh out the next one. Okay. Still stirring our stuff. We're just adding in slowly. Okay. Alright. So we're just going to sit that aside. We're just going to weigh it out, tear it out again. Okay, here we go. And forgive me for holding my arm in the way, you guys. Like I said, this setup is very small. And this pan is burning my hand. Let me take this out. And I just made a huge boo-boo. I made a boo-boo, as Lucy would say. Okay, that is 8. So now we're gonna tear our scale again. This is our 6 ounce, which I don't think I'm gonna get but one. Okay, 6 ounce. Whew. Cutting it close, guys. Alright. This is our last little bit. Alright. I got a little bit left. Not too bad, not too bad. So, here are Eucalyptus fragrance candles. They smell really, really great. Sorry for the mishap on the beginning part. Maybe we can do that again on the next go round. I'll take you through the steps of what I do. So, thank you guys for joining me today on making our eucalyptus candles. This is for a clientele. And we're just going to slide this back, and we're just going to let you guys look at our thing. So, basically what we're do is going to let these sit for 24 hours so they can solidify. And we're just going to let them sit and let it go to the cool down stage, and we'll bring you guys back when they're cooled down and labeled. And I thank you again for joining me today here on EDM Soaps. My name is Diane Marie. I am your host for today on this channel. Please like, share, subscribe. Please visit our website at www.edmsoaps.com. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.